Okay, this drone come with us because this drone have a problem trying to link it with the RC, with the remote controller. After some tests, we changed the cable distribution board, the power distribution board, we changed the RF module, and even we try it with another Avionics. And now we change the spraying board. This is the old spraying board. This is the new spraying board. So now we're gonna check if the drone now can be linked. So we're gonna turn on the drone. Now as we see, we can look that the ESC turn it on and the drone is linked. So the problem was the spraying module. Again, the serial number, okay.